Intro music fades out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself with a main refrigerator bursting at the seams, or struggling to keep your drinks perfectly chilled whether you're indoors or out on the patio, then you know the struggle is real. Well, today, we're diving deep into a product that promises to solve all those woes and elevate your beverage game. This is our comprehensive review of the brand new Antarctic Star Outdoor Beverage Refrigerator 24-inch wide, stainless steel double-drawer mini fridge. We're giving you the ultimate guide to why this might just be the best beverage cooler you'll see in 2025. First impressions are everything, and the Antarctic Star makes a powerful statement. Its sleek, stainless steel finish is not just durable for both home and patio environments, but it also looks incredibly sophisticated, blending seamlessly with any decor. But it's not just about looks. This unit is a powerhouse of convenience and performance. What truly sets this mini fridge apart, and why it's quickly becoming a top contender for anyone serious about their refreshments, is its innovative dual-zone drawer design. Forget rummaging through a cluttered upright fridge. This double drawer system means you can efficiently organize your drinks. Imagine one drawer perfectly chilling your craft beers or sodas, while the other maintains ideal temperatures for your favorite wines. It's about more than just storage. It's about intelligent organization that makes accessing your preferred beverage a smooth, effortless experience, significantly enhancing your enjoyment. And when we talk about storage, the Antarctic Star doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. With its generous dimensions, this under-counter drawer refrigerator boasts a massive 4.9 cubic feet of storage, accommodating up to 150 standard 12 ounces cans. That's right, 150 cans. This large capacity is a game changer, especially for those looking to declutter their main kitchen fridge or host larger gatherings. Whether you're considering it for an under-counter built-in installation in your kitchen island or as a freestanding wine cooler on your outdoor deck, the space-saving design is remarkably efficient. It outpaces many traditional side-by-side refrigerators in terms of dedicated beverage storage, meaning more room for groceries in your main unit and perfectly chilled drinks always within reach. This isn't just a beverage fridge, it's a strategic upgrade for your home and patio lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the heart of any refrigerator, its cooling performance. The Antarctic Star doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a powerful cooling system that maintains a remarkably precise temperature range, from a crisp 32 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This incredible versatility ensures that whether you prefer your sodas ice cold or your wines at a specific cellar temperature, this unit delivers. The advanced air cooling system ensures a consistent, suitable cooling environment for your drinks, eliminating hot spots and keeping every can and bottle at its optimal chill. But here's the kicker, it does all of this with incredibly quiet cooling. You won't have to worry about a noisy compressor disrupting your quiet evening indoors or your lively patio conversations. This low-noise operation is a huge benefit, making it ideal for any living space. Finally, the overall user experience is where the Antarctic Star truly shines. The comfortable use provided by its thoughtful drawer design, coupled with the high-quality, smooth slide rails on each drawer, means effortless access every single time. No more awkward bending or reaching, just a simple pull brings your favorite drinks right to you. The intuitive LED display panel adds another layer of convenience, providing real-time temperature information at a glance. You'll always know your beverages are stored at their perfect temperature, ready for enjoyment. In conclusion, the Antarctic Star Outdoor Beverage Refrigerator 24-inch wide, stainless steel double-drawer mini fridge 145 cans for under-counter built-in or freestanding, wine cooler for home and patio. 32 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, silver is more than just an appliance. It's an investment in convenience, capacity, and perfectly chilled refreshment. For its innovative dual-drawer design, impressive 150 can capacity, precise and quiet cooling, and exceptional ease of use, it stands out as a phenomenal choice. If you're looking to elevate your beverage storage, both indoors and out, this is a product you absolutely need to consider. Ready to upgrade your drink game? You can find the link to purchase the Antarctic Star outdoor beverage refrigerator, along with more detailed specifications, right in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next unboxing or guide. Thanks for watching.